Assalamualaikum. My name Abdul Hafiz bin Abdulsan, and my group member is Nurul, Athirah, Izzati, Binti, Kamil, and Ronan Frederic. We are from Group 3. First of all, I would like to thank to our lecturer for giving us an opportunity to present our end of chapter question 2. The first question is one Roman definition of NGN. So the definition is a next generation network. NGN is a packet-based network able to provide service including telecommunication service and able to make use of multiple broadbands. Cross-enabled transport technologies in which service-related functions are independent of underlying transport-related technologies. It offers unrestricted access by users to different services provided. It supports generalized mobility, which will allow the consistent and ubiquitous provision of service to users. So the next question is to Roman Basic Network PSTN. Basically, there are two types of switching equipment, which is local switch and trans-switch. Both switches function to route the voice message. All local switches will be connected to the trans switch and another local switch associated with the same trans switch. For connecting with another local switch associated with another trans switch will be conducted by both trans switches. Another element inside of the PSTN architecture is the logical network or signaling. Signaling system number 7 or SS7 is the standard signaling protocol inside the PSTN network architecture.
3 Roman, the basic of VoIP network. So, Voice over Internet Protocol, also known as VoIP, is a method and group of technologies for the delivery of voice communication and multimedia sessions over Internet Protocol network, such as Internet. So, as we can see at the picture here, when we want to make a phone call using VoIP, it will make way through the Internet. We also have some central server 1 and central server 2 here, and then it will go to the gateway 1 and gateway 2, and then it will go to the PSTN network, and then it will reach to the analog phone, which is the people that we want to call. So that is the basic of VoIP network.
For Roman, feature VoIP versus PSTN. First feature, connectivity type. For VoIP, IP connectivity over the Internet or private WAN service, while for PSTN, dedicated telephone lines or access via SIP trunking. Next, required bandwidth for VoIP. One VoIP line requires 100 kilobit per second, but the total amount of bandwidth required depends on the number of concurrent VoIP calls and the codec. For PSTN, one link typically supports 64 kilobit per second in each direction. Third, scalability. For VoIP, adding additional lines usually requires small bandwidth and software updates, while for PSTN, additional lines require purchasing more hardware and dedicated lines, which can be complex and costly. For business continuity and disaster recovery, VoIP services terminates when data network connectivity is lost. Organization must have a VoIP disaster recovery plan. VoIP may not feasible for alarms, elevator, and other areas due to building code requirements. PSTN service usually remain active during power outages because phone jacks are powered by the PSTN provider, but cordless phones will be unusable. Last but not least, most VoIP providers include call waiting and offer call transferring as a standard features. Some VoIP providers include call forwarding with their services, while others offer it as an optional capability. Meanwhile, PSTN providers usually include call waiting, call forwarding, and call transferring as standard features, but sometimes it's need extra costs.
Roman 5 Application examples. Traditional PSTN services use dedicated couple line to deliver bus traffic and circuit switching to connect endpoints during phone calls. Today, PSTN services have become increasingly digital as new last-mile infrastructure, such as fiber optic cable, replaces couple lines. PSTN providers are also deploying technologies such as Session Initiation Protocol (SIP), Trunking and Primary Rate Interface (PRI) to deliver data. VoIP transmit voice traffic over an Internet connection or private WAN service and eliminates the need for circuit switch network for phone call. VoIP use code to turn audio into data packet, transmit them across an IP network, and turn the packet back into audio on the receiving end of the call. Many organizations get VoIP services from cloud unified communications providers or from VoIP providers. For example, WhatsApp and Skype. That's all from us. Thank you.